All of us. Even if we're selling apps and software and medical billing or whatever it is that we're selling, nobody wants to admit they have a problem. Sidebar on that. Never say problem. Say challenge. It's really weird. But if I go, what are the problems you're having with your medical billing? Problems get people fired. We're pretty good. What are the challenges that you're facing? Dude, let me tell you about the challenges. There's so much that I got to overcome. This place would go out of business if it wasn't for me. When you say it would go out of business if it wasn't for you, can you give me a specific example? Yes. I am working 3 extra hours and you're not getting paid for it? No. But if I don't collect the money, nobody's going to collect the money. We're going to go out of business. Right? How is it 3 hours a week? 3 hours? It's like 3 hours every Wednesday and every Thursday is when I do that stuff. So 6 hours a week? Wow, now you're having better conversations. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're going to catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.